Thanks for helping me get my pirate radio station going, Tails.
Sticks and technology sitting in a tree. I-N-T-E-R-F-A-C-I-N-G. As referee for this race, I want a clean competition. No cheating. Of course, you'll be deep in the woods, so I won't know if you cheat. Look, just don't cheat, okay? I mean, come on, you guys. My job is hard enough.
Go!
We're through the looking glass here, people. White is black, and black is white. Dear Zoe, day 1. It's amazing how much snow there is just 2 minutes outside of town. Eggman, why are you wearing clown makeup?
Why are you wearing clown makeup?
We're Justin's opening act.
Bop. Bop, bop, ba, da, bop, bop. Bop. Bop, bop, ba, da, bop, bop. Hey, Tails, wanna play volleyball?
Why?
Because I wanna play.
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
Tails, you can create anything with this machine, not just tiny bolts. You're right.
Yeah! That's pretty well reasoned. Sure you don't want to add anything? Like a time-traveling banana told you to do it?
No.
Huh, go figure. Day 3. The cold is unbearable. For the first time in my life, I actually considered wearing pants. Desperate times indeed. Oh, you run like that all the time? Can I ask you a question? How do you keep your lunch down?
You sure you understand the bet? You're supposed to catch me, not you. C-.
Thanks, Sonic. My letter to Zoe got ruined. Now I have to start over. Dear Zoe, day 1. What are we laughing at?
We're focused, tested, and radio friendly.
The only thing that matters is that we stay trendy. I think I'll sit this one out, if you don't mind. Today, I'm here to tell you, Muckfoot is real!
They seem pretty smart to me.
Ha! I knew my hammock slingshot pipe cage trap would work, despite its terrible name. Wait for me! Actually, I think I'll walk. Duh! You're funny. Wanna be friends?
I guess we're both kind of donut holes, aren't we?
Maybe best friends don't have to be best roommates.
Maybe not. Put her there. Okay, too long, getting weird.
Come one, come all! Witness a marvel like you've never seen before!
He pulled the sheet off in one tug. That was impressive. Gotcha! A play to your ego, the old sympathy card, a touch of misdirection, and a little help from Mother Nature. And boom! One Sonic caught!
Oh, there's just one more thing.
You're the girl of my dreams. Please hold me tight.
I'm beginning to think that I lost that bet.
Actually, you did.
Don't tell Tails.